What is up, guys? This is FNH News Review with a brand new video to talk about Big Ant. So these are Big Ant backseat covers that I purchased for my car, and I actually got them from Amazon. I'll leave all the links in the description below. So to get right into it, these were $40. I believe the price point is like on par with like competitors and whatnot, and I really needed it for the car. So I actually wanted to again, I did some research on the few ones out there, and this one seemed the best in my perspective. So I was like, you know what, let me get it, let me review it, let me give it a shot, let me see if people like this, and let me let you know in the comments below. Like, you guys can let me know in the comments below. But first, obviously, I'm going to get the feel of it myself, and then go from there. So overall, as you can see, this is how the package comes. Obviously, a box as well, but this is how it came in. It's covered in plastic. It talks about its company, the website, the email. It's fairly large, as you can see. It has, again, fine craftsmanship, featured fabrics, and a pocket organizer design. So that's actually pretty damn cool. So like, if anyone wants to put the phones, chargers, etc. in the pockets and whatnot, you can. So you don't have to like cut this plastic off or anything, which is obviously what a really good feature. I overall like that a lot. So you can, like I said, I'm a sucker for good designs and packaging. So this one is fairly easy to take out. So just to show you, God dang it. All right. So this is the cover itself, as you can see. It just says Big Ant. Same thing. It was just inside. And these are the car seat covers. So overall, it's actually fairly good. It feels fairly like sturdy and high quality material. It feels pretty premium. So I actually do like that. As you can see, this is the car seat itself. So I'm assuming this is for one of them. I'm assuming it's different, like the back, where you sit itself, and it has the different ones. So this is one of them, as you can see. Just so I put this to the side. It's fairly big, so it's like hard to show everything. This is the seat portion as well. I believe you can cover your, I'm not sure exactly what this one is. Not too crazy with cars, so I can't really tell what this exact one is. But that one is obviously the seat one. And then you have this for the second one as well. As you can see, it's the cover over here. It has all the different features on how to get it covered. The locks itself for the seat, so you can have your seat covered and whatnot. And yeah, those are the two seat covers it comes with, as you can see. So it's a back seat cover itself. And the features are here. So let me see if I can, yep, this is right here. So yeah, those are the two ones. Again, they're fairly large, so it's hard to like show all the features of it. I just didn't know what exactly this one is. I'm debating if it's like the one where the seat comes down and you cover that, but it doesn't seem like it. It could be. I just don't seem. It could be. It could be like you. But how would you close it? Again, this is only what I'm a little bit confused on. I'm so sorry. I do apologize. But with the exception of this, I actually overall like the feel to it. It's very high quality. It feels overall very good and sturdy. Like, it feels like it'll be able to protect the car, cover the seats, and keep all the damage out if need be. So overall, that was the feature I liked a lot about this. I'm trying to see where they said the holders, unless this specific model doesn't have. So that'll be a con from my side. Like, don't include it in the cover if you don't have it in. See, it doesn't have it actually. So that's a con on my side. Again, if you're purchasing it because of that, obviously that's a con from my side. You promote it, you put it on the cover, but it's not there. That's obviously a downside in my side. It could be a generic cover that they put, and then they just didn't know how to like overall deal with it. But that's obviously definitely a con from my side. That's a huge letdown. I actually did think that was like, oh, you can put something on the seat covers, on the back of it, or something, you know, depending on which seat you put it on or how it works. At least put it in that side, you know, or just say not every cover will have. It's okay, not a huge downside, just saying it's a downside and a letdown because I was actually expecting that and looking forward to it. But yeah, this was the Big Ant seat back cover review I wanted to do for you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Overall, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.